So I'm Michaela, I'm from the Faculty of Science, and I guess one of the great things about the Faculty of Science is that you can obviously study in an excellent and fantastic science precinct. So you can see behind me, I've got one of the science buildings there, and that is our Green Chemical Futures building, which is one of the state-of-the-art science buildings that we have built recently in recent times. All of our first year chemistry students will go into that building and they will be able to participate in labs that are hands-on with about 16 students per one lab instructor, and it's a very hands-on course, and there's obviously lots of opportunities for doing things that are very practical. So as you can see on Sam's screen there, those are all the types of science or the majors that you can study at Monash. And there's a whole range of different sort of majors or subject areas that you can study, from mathematics to chemistry to physics to astrophysics to zoology to biology, genetics. So there's a whole range of different sciences there. So if you are keen on science, you can study one of these majors. You can pair it with another major, so you can get a double major. So it's 2 areas of study. And you can also pair it with a whole bunch of other things. It is a very flexible course. We actually have a number of different courses that we run through the Faculty of Science. We have the Bachelor of Science, which is our flagship degree. It's very flexible. One of the key things, or one of the great selling points about the Bachelor of Science is that you can get into it with no maths methods. So if you don't have maths methods, you can still apply and get into the Bachelor of Science. We will also take as a prerequisite sciences such as psychology or geography or environmental science. And if you are keen on looking at the entry requirements for all of our courses, I will be putting some links at the bottom of the screen when I have finished. We also have the Bachelor of Science Advanced Research Honours, which is a great 4-year course for students who want to get into, say, for example, a research pathway and they want to go into a PhD because it has that honours year already built in. We have the Bachelor of Science Advanced Global Challenges, which is great for students who are looking to get into, say, entrepreneurship of science or entrepreneurial endeavours, if they want to solve problems through science and take on leadership and be a part of a really small cohort. And it's a really, really great course for students who want to make a difference in the world through science. You can obviously also pair the science degree with a double degree. So if you are interested in combining 2 areas of study or 2 areas of passion, you can, say, do science and commerce, or science and law, or science and engineering. There's a whole range of different combinations that you can choose from. We also have 2 new courses in 2020, which is the Bachelor of Applied Data Science and the Bachelor of Applied Data Science Advanced. And they're great for students who really love maths and IT and want to go into the great new world that is obviously data science and looking at big data, which is obviously very important at the moment as we are looking at a pandemic, which is, I don't think we've ever seen so much data before, and we need scientists who can process it and then make sense of it and then help us learn from what is happening at the moment. There are a range of different and fantastic opportunities that you can participate in through the science course. There are peer-assisted study sessions, there are science industry weeks, there are internship units. So if you are interested in getting hands-on experience, you can do internship units. There are also a range of really great outdoor classrooms. So if you are at the moment, we can't really go very far, but you don't have to go very far at all to be able to learn in the EAE Rock Garden or the Jock Marshall Reserve. And they're all on campus, and our first year students and second year students will go out and do labs there. There's also clubs and societies and also a whole range of other things that you can participate in as a science student at Monash. Not to mention, there are a range of different field trips abroad, also in, say, regional Victoria, where students go out and collect samples and they bring them back and do all sorts of research projects as well. And also summer research projects and also other things that you can get involved in when you're at Monash.